holidays without the cocktails, of course, and being the Princess addict that I am, I spent a lot of time trying to find the perfect one. I like tequila, so I'm going with the margarita. It's called a Mistletoe Margarita, and it has a hint of cranberry and pomegranate in it. So you're going to start off with ice and 2 parts of tequila. By the way, I eyeball all of my alcohol because I'm used to making cocktails. Just a drop of simple syrup. It's really sweet and sour, so you don't want too much. Then you're gonna go 2 parts of the sweet and lime. Just a hint of cranberry juice. And then we're going to shake this baby up. And before I pour it in the cup, I'm going to dab the paper towel with this simple syrup. And I'm just going to go around the tip of the glass and the inside and the outside. And then stick it in your sugar. For a cute garnish. Yeah. Okay, and we're gonna garnish with a teaspoon of pomegranate and any Christmas greenery you can find, and voila, there's your mistletoe margarita.